Salam. Today we're going to be making potato goat stew, Aloo Gosht. Gosht or goat is a tough meat, so the best way to ensure its tenderness is to cook it low and slow.
You're gonna need 2 pounds of goat meat cut into 2-inch pieces and 2 tablespoons unsalted butter or ghee, 1 yellow onion diced, 1 tablespoon red chili powder, 2 tablespoons coriander powder, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon garlic paste, 1 tablespoon ginger paste, 1 tablespoon tomato paste, salt, and pepper, 4 cups of water, 4 potatoes cut into 2-inch pieces, and 1 teaspoon garam masala. In a pot, melt the ghee on medium-high, add the goat meat and sear for 3 to 5 minutes, then take out. Add the onion and salt and cook that in the goat fond for 5 to 10 minutes. Add the spices with red chili powder, coriander powder, turmeric powder, and pepper, and cook for 1 to 2 minutes. Then add the garlic paste, ginger paste, and tomato paste, and cook that for 1 to 2 minutes. Add water to make the salan and bring to a boil. Turn to low, add back the goat meat, cover, and simmer slowly for 1 to 2 hours. Check periodically to make sure it's getting more tender with time. Add the potatoes and garam masala, then simmer those for an additional 30 minutes.
Bismillah. Some people don't like goat because it tastes too gamey and tough, but if cooked long enough, which you have to be patient, then those qualities go away, and you get tender meat that rivals beef.